Here's how to copy a drop-down list. You can just copy the cell of a drop-down list, go to the next cell, and paste. And what I like to do, though, is copy and paste it, then delete the data, because we may be needing to have different data, right? Now, I would copy the blank one and use Shift Command and the down arrow, and I can paste the entire column. Now, there's another issue. If I already have data here and I copy paste these drop-down lists, you see they will take over the data and they will actually change the data. But we could copy the drop-down list, go to the next cell, and right-click and paste special, data validation only. So it's going to be named differently than drop-down list, but it is data validation only. And now the data stays the same, but the validation is what's pasting. But do you want to do that for the entire column? Let's do that. Copy the cell that has the drop-down list, then go down to where you need to paste just the list. Again, you can hit Shift, Command, hold those down, and then press the down arrow. And again, right-click, paste special, data validation only, and there you go. You can copy and paste a drop-down list if you have blank or even if you have data. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.